appreciate it.
UBC Young Fly is the next greatest thing to happen in comedy.
Yes, sir. I
And
appreciate
it's
it.
Doctor, give me his name, doctor. But let's not get off track.
No.
Your real name is Brad.
A prediction. My area is like linguistics. I like linguistics because if you study humor or comedy, humor or comedy is really predicated. The fundamental nature of comedy is predicated on linguistics, language.
Years.
What is he doing?
All right, Russell Peters for the hour, you know, or a half hour, whatever it was.
Being the love letters of Zelda and Scott Fitzgerald with back in 1988.
UBC Young Fly.
No harm, no foul.
I want to talk about rumors because they're
Outstanding.
I have to get some because I love fragrance.
You know what? You looked like a nurse the whole time, so it was hard to focus.
Tommy Lee Jones or Harrison Ford or...
But some of the guys I beat were quite...
Casey was. But now that you've explained,
You know, can you draw from that or what?
I am, but he just wanted to say hi.
Mr. Woodchuck, because I can't.
Boy, killing it.
Be well. Take care, my friend.
You see, with darkness and light, it has to be set.
It's my show.
I'm pretty certain, buddy, from the day I saw you, I said this is the next biggest thing to happen in comedy.
Doctor. That's my impression of Jodie Foster in the movie Silence of the Lambs. Yes, doctor. Give me his name, doctor. Give